Imagine a world where machines can design better, faster, and more efficiently than humans ever could. From architecture to aerospace, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we create. Welcome to today's deep dive into AI and machine learning in design. If you are into tech, innovation, or the future of creativity, stick around, because this is going to blow your mind. Okay, so what exactly is AI-driven design? At its core, AI and machine learning analyze vast amounts of data, identifying patterns and make predictions to optimize designs. At this point in time, we are all very familiar with AI-generated images. But this technology has found its way to engineering and other fields. Unlike traditional design, where humans create and iterate manually, which can take a huge amount of time and resources, AI can test thousands of possibilities in seconds. This process is called generative design, and it's a game changer. This emerging technology not only saves engineers an astonishing amount of time, it also optimizes the designs in ways no human ever could. Some examples of the optimizations that take place are weight reduction, stronger parts, and more efficient designs. Generative design is increasingly being used by architects and urban planners to make their lives easier. AI-generated building designs can help optimize materials, airflow, and energy efficiency, making them cheaper to construct and maintain. A great example of the implementation of generative design in architecture is the completion of La Sagrada Familia in Barcelona, Spain. Having been designed well over a century ago, modern architects and engineers have relied on computational design, AI, and generative algorithms to help complete the unfinished masterpiece. When you think about optimizing design to improve performance, what else comes to mind than cars? I mean, there's even a whole sport based around this concept. AI optimizes car aerodynamics, reduces weight, and improves fuel efficiency, all improvements which are critical in the automotive industry. One of my favorite examples of generative design is a groundbreaking design made by Bugatti. The luxury hypercar brand designed the first ever 3D printed titanium brake calipers, which were developed using generative design. Bugatti collaborated with LASA Tentum Nord, a German research institute, to create these one-of-a-kind brake calipers. Now let's dive into how Bugatti went about designing them, shall we? Generative design algorithms first analyze stress distribution, material usage, and weight optimization to create an ultra-lightweight yet strong structure capable of withstanding the immense stress of stopping a 2061 kilogram car from 100 to 0 in just 2.5 seconds. The final shape was highly optimized for structural integrity and weight reduction, resulting in a biometric appearance that resembles structures found in nature. And finally, the calipers were made using laser powder bed fusion, where layers of titanium powder were selectively melted by a laser. There are many benefits of this approach, some of which include weight reduction. The Bugatti designer team were able to reduce the weight of the brake calipers by an astonishing 40% when compared to a conventional aluminum ones. Increased strength. Being able to reduce the weight and material usage in such a way allowed Bugatti to use titanium instead of aluminum, which provides superior strength and resistance to heat, which are crucial when dissipating such amounts of heat. And finally, improved performance. It's no secret that lighter components improve the car's handling and braking performance, giving the Bugatti Chiron an edge over all other cars. But how does generative design work? There are several steps that engineers take to create parts with generative design. First, they define the design goals and constraints, like material limits, cost constraints, and strength requirements. After the parameters are chosen, AI algorithms are used to generate countless possible solutions with slightly different designs. Then, engineers evaluate the designs against each other and the constraints they started with. Then they rank the designs and review the results, and if necessary, adjust the constraints. Afterwards, they repeat the process until an optimal design is found. And finally, they select the best designs for prototyping and testing. But wait, does AI replace human creativity? Not at all. Instead, it acts as a powerful co-pilot, giving designers supercharged tools to explore ideas they never thought possible. This balance between human intuition and machine intelligence is where the magic happens. The future of AI in design is limitless. Imagine self-optimizing cities, AI-personalized homes, and even AI-powered furniture that adapts to your posture. As AI continues to evolve, the possibilities are endless. So what do you think? Is AI the future of design, or will human creativity always have the upper hand? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech and innovation content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.